Hey, what's up, guys? I just have a VQ tip time here. For these VQ35 DEs, they're getting pretty old, bro. So you really want to watch out for cause these engines they're pretty. Well, it's not. It's like more like the connections and stuff, and like the computer. They're pretty sensitive. So you really want to watch out. Sometimes you could get random misfires, and you think, oh man, it might be my coils, it might be a leak. This one for sure. If it's a misfire, you guys want to change this one out. I'll get the Z1 silicone one. But yeah. Anyways, it's random stuff like that. And you're like, man, what is it at? And sometimes these cars are getting old, so sometimes it's just these connections right here. They get brittle and they get old, and then one snaps, and now it's causing a misfire in the cylinder. So I already changed this one for the coils and the fuel injector ones. You guys want to check out the connections, because sometimes you see they're like barely on. They is on barely, like they want to snap. Let's see if we can get. Oh, let's see. Yeah, right there. Like you can tell they want to snap. They're like on the wire already, and they get brittle and old. And once they snap, they're gonna cause a random misfire or something. So you just want to be aware of that. They do sell like the pigtails. So they snap. All you have to do is just cut them, and then I will cut the sleeve just to expose more of the wire, and just solder them in the same order. Make sure they're in the same order, because it's gonna be 3 of them. So 1, 2, 3. Make sure it's the same, and that's gonna fix the issue. I already did this one. That one snapped on me. So already right there, there's the pigtail. So yeah, for the DEs and any HR, anything VHR, you guess, but mostly the DEs. These are the oldest ones. I always check the connectors for any problems if you guys trying to chase them down.